So when you're sitting down to eat, you want to turn on your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest. One of the most effective ways to do this is by stimulating the vagus nerve, which is the longest of the cranial nerves. So there are lots of tactics to get there. One of the most common ones that I like is box breathing. So you'll breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and then breathe out for 6. Let's practice one now. So breathing in for 4, hold for 4, and breathe out for 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do this a few times, you might notice a yawn or a sigh, and this is an indication that your parasympathetic nervous system is turned on and you're ready to digest your food.